Yo, what's up guys? So after a couple weeks, finally gonna finish doing the rear end. Pretty much I just got into town yesterday, been working out of town, so finally gonna finish the car. My dad already put the drive shaft back on, put the brakes back on, he put the axles in, he put the carrier in, the pinion, and I went ahead and ordered this cover just because it's a lot nicer and better than the stock diff cover. This one's got these bolts right here that help press in the bearing caps, or I forgot what they're called, but yeah, it's basically like a safety thing. And then I also got the gasket for the diff cover. All I gotta do is just put the oil. I gotta adjust my coilovers for the welds just because it's a taller tire. I don't want it to rub, and that's pretty much it, man. So gonna go ahead and I don't know if I'm gonna time lapse it or not. It's because usually we play music and I don't want to get copyrighted, so.
JP.
Alright guys, there are the welds. They fit perfect. And then right now we're gonna move my brother's car so that I could put my fronts on. day, and we already got the flywheel on. You guys can see right there. Flywheel is up and the bell housing is there. It was kind of a pain in the ass because that bell housing fits a certain way in between these headers. It does not just slide in. And if you're gonna do this with long tube headers, you might want to open up the headers like we did. My dad ratchet strapped the collectors, which is right here, and that one, to pins on the ground, or actually he did it to that wheel. But anyways, in a nutshell, just use a ratchet strap and pull them open. See, we got a stake right there in the ground, a pin, and then just ratchet strap it. Just be careful, don't do it too much. And yeah, we had to do that to fit the bell housing, take it out and put it back in. And then that flywheel had to slide behind the bell housing, and then we individually put all of those bolts, which are gonna hold the pressure plate. Got that trans over there, fan. Man, it's hot outside, but we got some homemade shade right there. Alright, so now we're gonna put the pressure plate and keep going. Alright guys, so real quick, we did have to cut off this ear right here. It was like this, cut it off. Same one right here. If you look at the stock one, the Cobra T-56, it already comes from factory without that ear and without this ear. So all we did was match it. So that's why we just cut there, cut that off, cut this off, and we shouldn't have any clearance issues with the tunnel under the car. So just keep that in mind.